Hello everybody, today in front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can bypass the parental control option on this device. So first of all, it is worth mentioning that for the method that is going to be shown today, you have to know the password to the Google account that is used for the parental control on the, not on the parent side, but on your side as a child. So launch settings, then enter the Google category over here, then go for the, let me first of all show you that the parental controls are enabled. So go for the manage your account button over here, then open the data and privacy section, scroll the page all the way down. The delete your Google account option is what we are interested in currently. Prior to going any further, I need to mention that you do not have to worry, do not have to be scared to remove or delete your Google account, since right after we will deal with parental controls and switch them off, we will recover or restore the account, so no worries. Tap on the delete your account option once again. Confirm the action by entering the password. As I've already mentioned at the start, if you do not know the password to the child's account, this method will not work. Once you have confirmed the credentials, scroll the page down, check these little boxes, tap on the delete account option or button. Since we see something went wrong message, that means that the account deletion process has been successfully executed. So now if we will go to the settings, enter Google category, we'll see that not only no accounts are linked to the system, but also the parental controls are switched off. Now all that it's left to do is to recover our Google account. So open up the Google Play, sign in with the account that we have just recently deleted. We'll get this little message over here saying that we can easily recover the account. Just simply enter the password. And once you do, the account is successfully restored. So now we'll accept all the terms, services, whatever. Now, as you can see, the account is right over here. And if we will go to the settings, it will be also displayed that we have re-added the same account to the system, or re-linked it, should I say. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.